If you know how to read emails, you can actually make money online. I want you to take a look at this. How much money can you earn? When you open up and read 10 emails, you can make $50. For every 20 emails, you can earn even more money, up to $150. If we do read more and more emails, 30 emails or even 40 emails, this is where you can earn $400. This is a lot of money, and you know what I like about this new website is that it is 100% free and it covers every country in the world. But before we do that, this is Finance Babe. I'll teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'd also love to talk to you. Just leave a comment below. So the first website that we are going to be talking about is Vindale Research. As you can see here on the website, you can get paid to take surveys online. But don't get me wrong, we are not going to do any surveys on this video. We are going to just read emails to make money online. I want you to take a look at this. Vindale members have earned more than $7 million in cash. This website pays you in cash. Now I want you to take a look at this. Earn cash for every email that you open. Earn just for reading emails. Opt into reward mail in your email preference to open and view paid promotional messages. This is where you can make money by just simply reading emails online. Now the sign-up process for this website is a little bit different because they only accept from the United States, Canada, UK, and Australia. But don't worry if you're coming from another country. I will show you a method to sign up for free. So make sure you stick around until the end. There are so many categories that you can read emails to make money. Now this is the first tip that I want to give you. Focus on emails about shopping and fashion, and also health and beauty. These two categories can make you the most amount of money. I want you to just read emails in both of these categories. I want to show you this all right now because when you go inside there, you can find something like $10. Sometimes you get $1 and so on, as you can see here. Sometimes they pay you more money. Sometimes they pay you less. Now I want you to take a look at this. 75 cents because this is from the categories of sports. In sports, they are going to pay you very little money, so make sure you focus on shopping and fashion and health and beauty, so you can make more money over and over again. But before I show you the next steps, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a comment below. Now when you go back to the website, I want you to click on this link right here, sign up, and get paid to read emails. Click on this link and then you're going to go on to this page where you can sign up for a free account, but pay attention because I want to teach you how to sign up. Now this is where you can complete everything and you can start making money today. Now if you do it correctly, they even give you a bonus where you can make $25 over and over again, but you have to sign up properly. So right here, I want you to put in your email address and then your first name, last name, and then for the street address and the country. As you can see here, when you go on, you can notice that they only accept from the United States, Canada, UK, and Australia. Now for you to sign up, you have to watch this video and pay close attention. I want you to type in a random list and then press on search. Now right here, you should be able to find the first website random list, the random generator of everything. Click on this link and you should be able to find the address right here. So go down below and find addresses. Click that, and then we are going to go to random addresses. Now right here, they will show you random addresses of other countries. Now, go down below and right here on Edit Settings, I want you to choose Canadian addresses. Click on Canadian addresses and this website will give us a random address from Canada where we can use this address to sign up. Now you can use this information to put in the sign up information on this page. So on the country, you can select Canada, of course. The next thing right here is we're going to come back to this page and copy these numbers and paste it on the box right here. For the street address, we copy this, come back here, and paste the street address. And then for the postal code, you're going to copy this one and come back to this page, and we're going to paste the postal code. So do it exactly like this, and if you fail to sign up, make sure to rewatch the video and follow exactly what I showed you. Right here, you're going to put your date of birth and choose your gender. For ethnicity, this is where you will put Caucasian or white. Then just type in your password and confirm your password. Then you have to click this. Yes, I've agreed to the terms and privacy policy. And just click on continue. Now, if you have followed me step by step onto this point, you should be able to get $1. This $1 is for free just by signing up. using the method that I just showed you, and on top of that, you have just unlocked $50 high-paying surveys. Which means that other people do surveys to make about $4 to $5, but you can make up to $50 by just doing the surveys because you have used a Canada address to sign up. This is very important, so I want you to watch every second of this video. If you missed the previous part of this video, please rewatch the video. Now, once you finish signing up, you are going to receive an extra job that you can do to earn extra money. For example, this $25, $5, and $1. Now, the sign-up process is a little bit tricky because you have to use the address from the United States or Canada. Now, there are a lot of people who made a lot of money from this website. On this website, you can do a lot of things to make money. Other than reading emails to make money, you can also do their paid surveys because they pay you quite a good amount of money on this website just to do the surveys. This is another bonus you can do. This is a bonus stream of income. And what I like about that is that you can also refer your friend and you get $5 over and over again. But again, our main focus on these videos is by just reading emails and making money online. Last but not the least, you can make money online by just watching videos. I mean, how cool is that? But you can just play the videos to make money. But again, make sure you focus on the category of shopping and fashion and health and beauty. And that's it for today's video. This is Finance Babe. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.